Hi, I'm Justin from Wagan Tech, and today we're going to take a look at the new 8-amp intelligent battery charger, item number 7406. Our 8-amp intelligent battery charger is perfect for maintaining and monitoring your battery, especially when it will not be used for an extended period of time. Such applications include ATVs, snowmobiles, motorcycles, cars, golf carts, and much more. Our intelligent battery charger features internal circuitry with 6-stage charging that detects the battery type, the current battery charge, overall battery condition, and automatically responds to optimize charging for that specific battery. Whether you're using this on your daily driver or a stored vehicle, you don't have to worry about overcharging or damaging your battery. The 8-amp intelligent battery charger also comes with protection features such as short circuit and reverse polarity. It can operate in conditions as cold as 32 degrees and as hot as 104 degrees. And that's been our quick look at the 8-amp intelligent battery charger by Wagan Tech. If you're interested in purchasing this device, click the link right here. Leave us a comment or question down below, and click subscribe to be updated on our new products. Thank you very much for watching.